Here is my Giulia Quadrifoglio Volcano Black. It has a fresh coating of Adams polishes, graphene ceramic coating. Took 4 days to prep and a day to apply. You can see how it just really stands out from just regular waxes by the glistening. It looks wet, even though the car is not. It's been coated to the windows, the paint surface, the wheels, as well as the calipers. There are no swirl marks, but this paint has been taken care of from day one of purchasing this vehicle from the manufacturer. This car is fully loaded except for the carbon seats.